guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all a very easy makeup tutorial for bright glowing skin. The festive season is just around the corner, and who doesn't want their skin to glow during the festivals? We all want glowing skin during the festivals, right? So this is the perfect video for you guys. If you want your skin to glow, I'm going to be teaching you all the perfect skincare and makeup techniques, the perfect kind of products that you can use in order to make your skin glowing like a goddess. So let's just get started with skincare first. You want to make sure that your skincare game is apt in order for your skin to glow from within, and for that I have just the perfect product. This is Himalaya Dark Spot Clearing Turmeric Face Serum. Now this face serum contains the perfect balance of science and nature. It's got glycolic acid, niacinamide and turmeric. 10% glycolic acid helps to gently exfoliate the top layer of dull skin, thereby revealing the fresher, brighter layer of skin on top. So when the fresh layer of skin comes on top, your skin automatically becomes much more glowing. It's got 2% niacinamide, which helps to clear out the complexion by reducing any uneven skin tone that you have, and it also helps to control excessive sebum production, thereby preventing acne and pimples. Apart from all of this, the main ingredient in the serum is 100% organically sourced turmeric, and the serum is made with Swarasa cold press extraction that helps to retain turmeric's actives to its full potential. So all the benefits of turmeric are present in this product, and the serum gives better results than any other product in the market. The serum helps to visibly reduce dark spots and dullness and boosts skin radiance with 100x turmeric extract. It's so lightweight and gets absorbed instantly in the skin. My skin looks instantly brighter whenever I use the serum, and if you use it daily, then it's going to reduce all the dark spots, dull skin, and just brighten up your skin. You can use the serum twice a day, in your morning as well as in your night regime, but always make sure to apply a sunscreen whenever you use the serum. So I'm just going to do that. The serum is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and also on Himalaya's website, and you can get a 30% discount from the link in the description box below if you check out today. Okay, so with that my skincare is complete. I've used the serum and a sunscreen. Now moving on to makeup. I'm not going to be using very heavy base makeup products because already with the help of skincare my skin is glowing so much from within. So I don't want to cover up the glow with like heavy full coverage foundations. So I'm going to stick to very minimal base makeup, and firstly I'm just going to apply a concealer to conceal my dark circles. Just by covering up your dark circles, your face instantly looks much more brighter and much more awake. Now for the rest of my face, to sort of make it a little more even tone, I'm going to be using a skin tint. Now I'm just going to take a very tiny amount of this. Dot it evenly all across my face and spread it using just my fingers. This way you can get a more even tone coverage and a more natural looking coverage. So now I'm just going to blend it out with my brush. You can also use your fingers or a beauty blender, whatever that you have. The skin tint is very lightweight and it looks very natural. As you can see, even after using the skin tint, the glow from my skin, the glow that is coming from within from my skin is still not blocked. It's still visible. So this is the kind of base makeup that you need. You want to ensure that whatever products that you have applied are very lightweight and very sheer. You don't want a lot of coverage, but you want to ensure that the glow from your skin peeks through your makeup products, and that's why you need to apply very lightweight and sheer products. So a skin tint is perfect for this kind of a look. Now makeup products can sort of take away all that dewiness from your skin. So to add that dewiness back, you want to ensure that you apply a setting spray after each step. So I'm just going to spray some setting spray. This is going to ensure that your skin looks fresh and dewy. Now moving on to setting powder. I'm not going to like powder my entire face, but I'm only going to apply the setting powder under my eyes. This is where I don't want the concealer to crease. And around my mouth. so that my smile lines are not emphasized. But for the rest of my face, I'm not going to set it with a setting powder, because if you do that, your skin is going to become matte and all that dewiness and that glow is going to be gone. So you don't want to apply powder like all over your face. Next up, moving on to blush. I'm not going to be using a powder brush, because obviously you don't want like powdery products on the skin that looks matte. So I'm going to be using a liquid blush. You can also use a lip and cheek tint if you want. And I'm just going to like apply a little bit on both of my cheeks and my nose, because I like that sun-kissed look. I'm just going to blend it out with my fingers. I feel like liquid blushes are the best because they are so easy to blend and they give this very dewy, flush of color that's coming from within kind of look. So that's what I really like about it. You can see it looks so natural. It doesn't look like I've applied blush, but it just looks like my skin is blushing from within. So moving on to highlighter. Now here's a hack. Before you use any highlighter, you want to ensure that you use an illuminator. So you want to use an illuminator as the base to that highlighter. So I've only taken like just a dot size amount of it, and I'm just going to apply it on my high points. Somewhat like that, and as you can see, it's already made my skin so much glowing. But we are not going to stop here. This illuminator was just like a base to the highlighter. You need to apply a highlighter on top of it, but when you apply an illuminator as your base, your highlighter looks much more natural and it glows much more than how it would if you just apply it itself. So I'm going to be using a liquid highlighter here. Now this is the hack. Instead of using like a powder highlighter which looks chalky and chunky, go for a liquid highlighter because this looks much natural. So I'm just gonna like apply some of it on all the high points of my face, and we're gonna quickly blend this with our fingers. Can you see all of that glow? It looks so beautiful. My skin looks so natural, as though I haven't applied any makeup, as if my skin is glowing from within, as if this is my real skin. It looks so beautiful on and off camera both, and I just cannot get over how flawless, how dewy and how glowing my skin looks. So this is the end of the base makeup. After this, you want to seal everything in with a dewy setting spray. Don't use a matte setting spray, go for a dewy setting spray. So I'm just going to do that. Just let it soak in, just let it melt all the makeup and blend all of it together and make the skin fresh and dewy again. And this is the final look. Can you see how beautifully my skin is glowing? Can you see all of that glow, all of that dewiness, all of that plumpness, the radiance? Like, I do not have the proper words to express how good my skin looks. This is what your skin should be looking like during the festive season. Now you can use whatever eye makeup that you want. You can use eyeshadow, eyeliner, you can use whatever color lipstick that you want to match with the occasion, with your outfit and everything, and you will be festive ready. So if you want glowing skin like this, make sure to follow all the techniques that I used in today's video. Make sure to use very lightweight products, go for liquid products instead of powder products, and make sure to like prep your skin first before you begin with any makeup routine. My number one product to prep your skin before applying any makeup is this Himalaya dark spot clearing turmeric face serum. Turmeric is the best ingredient when it comes to glowing skin. Turmeric helps in boosting so much glow, so much radiance on your skin, and it also helps in clearing out your skin. So it's the best ingredient that you can use for your skin before you use makeup, or just normally. You can use the serum twice a day, in your morning as well as in your night regime. You can use it in the morning when you get ready, you can use it before bedtime, and it helps in making your skin so much glowing and so much clear. So I highly recommend you try out this serum. This serum is the reason my skin is glowing so much much because it literally gives your skin a glow from within. You saw it clearly when I applied the serum, right? So I highly recommend you try out the serum. The link to purchase it is mentioned in the description box below. You can check that out. And yeah, with that I come to an end of my glowing skincare regime. Those were all the skincare and makeup techniques that I used to achieve glowing skin like this, especially during the festive season. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you try out these techniques, if you try out this entire skincare and makeup routine, do let me know in the comments below how many compliments you got, because I'm definitely sure everyone's gonna like appreciate your skin so much after you follow this entire regime. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave in the comments below any video requests if you have. I would definitely love to make more videos for you all. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.